So today I'm going to take you along with me for my day, and today I'm going to college, but I woke up a little late, so that's why I'm not doing yoga. I'm just going to go ahead and bath. Don't worry. I have a bit of a morning voice. I woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, did my meditation. Wait, I'm gonna show you something. Look at that. Moon is still there. So let's see what they're up to. So first of all, Neha just woke up. So Iba is making lunch and breakfast. So what do we have here? We are having soya chunks for lunch. So I think we are having upma for breakfast. Right? Yeah. Neha doesn't like upma. So there's a little change in the plan. We don't have upma today. We have bread, tea, and soya beans today for morning. First years, yeah, so nice, and they are so happy when we met them. Yeah. Planning a little trip, a little surprise trip to Iba's home. Only planning. Planning is the only thing that's happening right now. But guys, ഞാൻ മര്യാദക്ക് പറഞ്ഞതാ കൊട എടുക്കാതെ. I told them to bring umbrella. They did. I don't like rain. ഇതിന്റെ ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് മ്യൂസിക് ഒന്നും വേണ്ട. Like, look at me. Rain makes diseases, makes people wet, and
Let's make happy.
no.
Yes.
No.
കരയാം.
ബാത്റൂം പോയി വരണം. We got our records, guys.
Guys, we are going to Hiba's house.
മന്തി കിട്ടിയതാണ്. ഓ ഏതാ ചിരി. Good morning. It's day 2 and we have reached where? We have reached where?
Hiba's house.
So we are here at Tiba's house. Yesterday when we were traveling, it was so hectic, but we made a lot of friends. Hadi and Vihash and lots of other friends. And it was really fun, but we couldn't shoot anything because why? Our phones. Everyone's phone went off. Only Neha's phone was available, and that was also, she was sleeping and I was sleeping and everyone was sleeping. We were tired AF like that. And Uma yesterday gave me a mandi and some great chicken, like yummiest of all. So yummy. And now and we had a beautiful sleep, like a very beautiful sleep. Like,
Now it's time 11 o'clock.
yeah. Yeah, so they're waiting. So let's go eat breakfast. Okay. We are going on an adventurous trip to see Iba's swimming pool. Swimming pool.
Hiba swimming pool പറഞ്ഞേ. വാസേ swimming pool. വാസല്ല ഈസേ swimming pool.
Let's see. ഇന്റെ ഒച്ച കേൾക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് തിരിഞ്ഞു നോക്കിക്കോട്ടോ. We have reached the destination, so I'll show you what is the kolam.
ഇതിന് മര്യാദക്കുള്ള ഫോട്ടോ ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. നീല കാർപ്പറ്റ് ഇട്ടിട്ടുള്ളതല്ലേ? കാർപ്പറ്റ് അല്ല പെയിന്റ്.
Do you see this pit? This is her kolam. Okay, swimming pool.
ഇതിന്റെ അടുത്ത സാധനമാണ് ഇതാക്കിയിട്ട്
ജാതിപത്രി അല്ലേ, നമുക്കറിയാത്ത സംഭവം തന്നെ.
ജാതിപത്രിയോ?
ആ, ഈ റെഡ് സാധനത്തിന് പറയണതാ.
പിന്നെ നെയ്ച്ചോറൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാക്കും. കേക്കിട്ട് തരാം. കേക്കിട്ട് തരാം. പൊട്ടി വാട്ടർഫോളിന് മലപ്പുറം. ഇവർക്ക് മലപ്പുറത്ത് വാട്ടർഫോൾസ് കാണുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചെടുക്കാണ്.
This is how Ibzal fixed the pipe.
ഹായ് നെഹറിയാസ്. ഹായ് അൻസാറ. ഹലോ.
ഇത് വേറെ ഭാഷ കേട്ടോ.
ഹലോ.
I've got a makeup artist over here. Hala, Tanna.
ഇത് കിട്ടും.
Hello. So now it's almost, I think, 6 o'clock. Now we're gonna go for a little shopping for Neha's birthday dress. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So my birthday dress was designed by Ibzal. So likewise, Neha is also getting her dream dress from Ibzal by Hiba Sali. So we're gonna go shopping for the materials and everything. And Uma has made us some delicious treats out there. So yeah, we're gonna eat that. And how's my makeup? Guys, let's go. Let's colors. So we are going shopping for Ibal Neha's birthday dress, guys.
Yes, kids. ഡ്രസ് ഡിസൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതാരാണ്?
അതൊക്കെ ഞാൻ ഓൾറെഡി ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ കൊടുത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു മേളെന്ന. അല്ലടാ പൊന്ന. Let's go. guys. Rain lovers. Rain lovers. We finally reached. No, where to? So we have some options here. It's giving Roy. Fixed ayo. We are selecting and what we selected this and this for the ഒറിജിനൽ ഗ്ലാസ് മമ്മി വിഷയം എന്താ വേണ്ട പിസ്സ വേണ്ടേ പറഞ്ഞേ പിസ്സ 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 Hi, fast forward to August. As you have seen, it was really a very beautiful trip. Now, Malappuram is really close to my heart. It was very impromptu. It was like last minute planning and just a very spontaneous trip that we took. But it was so beautiful until I got my fever. So every year, so if you're following me on Instagram, you know that every year I used to get this one high fever that's like kills me. Basically, it kills me for days, then I just becomes reborn. That's the thing that's happening. And I got it the third day that we reached there. This time it was really, really rough and I was completely lost after this day that you have seen just right now. Next day, I woke up with intense body pain. I couldn't really move from my bed, and the morning itself, I knew, okay, I am dead. Then I told Iba, and lucky for me, it was there, and I had Uma and Uppa with me, so they took really good care of me. So I could experience that as well. So I feel blessed now, but still, I felt so bad that I ruined this trip, that I was a mood killer, but they treated me so well. So we had to leave early as well from Malappuram. I felt like if I am staying there, I would stay there for a week. Then only I will get better. But I wanted to return here. So we came back quickly. But overall, when I look back, I feel really good. I had a lot of good memories. It just makes me sad thinking like I couldn't spend more time with Hala because as I was down with fever, I didn't want her to be sick as well. So I didn't take her, I didn't hold her, and it made me really sad seeing Neha doing it all. Like that was a little sad. Like, I still remember one night I was going to bed, like I'm literally shivering. I can only walk to my room from my room to the bathroom. So I'm like going to the washroom, and Uppa came upstairs and he's like, okay, is there any fever? He touched me like this and I said, no, Uppa, I'm fine. And Uppa is Iba's father, okay, just to be clear. And he hold me like this, like a side hug, and he said, പേടിക്കണ്ട ട്ടോ ശരിയാവും ട്ടോ, which means that it'll be okay, don't worry, you will be okay, don't worry. Like I was so happy, like I missed my dad so much at that time, and it was the best that he could do, and I felt really, really, really like a part of their family. And I couldn't really show Roshan and Lena in this video because they were so shy and I couldn't film it all, and my phone storage was almost full, so I couldn't shoot many good moments with them. And I couldn't shoot the Andakshari session that we had with Uppa, and Uppa was the first and I was the second. Okay. and it was really beautiful. And oh my god, next Eid I am going there without the fever. Without the fever part, I want to enjoy everything and go on good trips as well. So inshallah, next Eid at Iba's house. Like this vlog was easy to shoot but hard to be stored in my phone. Like I had to take a lot of other videos as well, but it was getting lag in edit. But I had many other videos to shoot as we came back, some PR packages and everything, so I couldn't edit this. And I thought like maybe I should delete some clips to make space for other videos, but when I look back, I don't want to delete any of these videos, so I kept them all, I edited them, and now you're watching it. So you know that they are really close to my heart. They are just such a nice people that you have. And Malappuram, you have my heart. Thank you for being the most welcoming people on the planet. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I hope you liked the video. Anyways, thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being the best, and